The FSM 2550 is a surface grinding machine with NC-controlled vertical feed. The cast iron construction is hardened and annealed, which provides rigidity and stability. The handcrafted guides have the advantage of providing low friction movement, resulting in higher precision. The electromagnetic clamping plate can hold workpieces up to 250 by 500 millimeters on it, and additionally, it comes standard with an automatic demagnetization function. The travel speed of the FSM 2550 ranges between 5 and 25 meters per minute. The machine has the option to work in automatic mode. This means it automatically adjusts in the Z-axis and moves in XY. However, it can also be operated in manual mode. Testing has shown that the machine can grind with an accuracy of 2 microns. Accessories included are a grinding wheel flange, parallel guide, puller, balancing arbor, leveling feet, and a coolant system. In addition to the FSM 2550, there are other surface grinding machines in the Metallkraft range. These can be found on our website.